I'm Robert Taylor, U.S. Manager for RETEM 3D Steel Grid. Today we're going to share with you how to install the RETEM system easily and quickly. The RETEM system combines 3D steel grid with local ready-mix. The 3D grid is a three-dimensional web made of galvanized steel without welding. It is lightweight and easily installed. It can take the shape of any ditch, whether trapezoidal ditch, U-shaped ditch, or irregular. With the RETEM system, there is no forming, no jointing, no finishing, and no skilled labor required. The RETEM system can be used for a wide variety of erosion control applications, such as ditch lining, slope protection, and spillways. Today's application is a ditch lining project. The preparation work for the RETEM system is similar to any other alternative. In some cases, a tow is required in order to protect against undermining. For this project, the Department of Transportation wanted to key into the asphalt, so they clipped down 4 inches, which is the depth of our RETEM system. Once the ditch is shaped, a string line will provide a defined edge. Next, light-duty plastic sheets are placed. The plastic prevents moisture being pulled from the concrete during curing and provides a clean surface to place the 3D grid. Minor anchoring may be required under windy conditions or if the plastic doesn't remain stable. Number 3 rebar is used as anchors. These anchors are delivered to you with the RETEM system. After the plastic is placed, you are ready to deploy the 3D steel grid. The steel sheets are 4 foot by 7 foot and are light enough to carry by hand. The steel sheets are overlapped 4 inches in the longitudinal direction and 1 corrugation in the transverse direction. If the sheets extend beyond the marked boundary, they can be overlapped with the adjacent sheet or can be cut to fit the border. Once the steel is in place, it is anchored. An anchor should be put in each corner of the steel sheets. Once your steel is in place and anchored, you're ready for your ready-mix. Here we see 3,000 PSI ready-mix with a 5-inch sump being placed through the flume of a truck. If you're placing over 4,000 square feet, a pump is suggested because it will make your project go easier and quicker. We can usually pour out a truck of 8 cubic yards in 15 to 20 minutes. So you may want to speak with your local ready-mix provider on your project and let them know that these projects will go faster than traditional concrete. When the concrete is poured into the steel, it is then leveled with simple rakes and shovels. It is important that the concrete fully cover the 3D steel grid. The edges should be straightened according to the marked boundaries. After placement of the concrete, a garden rake is used to roughen the surface. This roughened texture actually helps with the hydraulics by slowing the water down. This project required 1,700 square feet of RETEM 3D steel grid, 22 cubic yards of concrete, and took roughly 3.5 hours to complete. Try RETEM 3D steel grid on your next project. You'll be glad you did.